pagiging abogado ay tunay na isang marangal na propesyon. Kaakibat nito ang malaking responsibilidad na siguraduhin na umiiral ang hustisya at napoprotektahan ang mga karapatan. Kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng National Law Month ngayong Setyembre, isinagawa ng Integrated Bar of the Philippines, Quezon City ang Golden Pillar of Law Awards sa Old Quezon City Hall of Justice. Pagbibigay pugay ito sa mga legal luminaries na kinilala hindi lamang dahil sa tagal ng kanilang serbisyo, kundi pati na rin sa kanilang malaking kontribusyon sa propesyon.
It's an award given to those lawyers who have been in the practice of law for 50 years or more. IBP Quezon City is very honored to have our awardees, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin. We have retired Chief Justice Renato Puno. We have retired Associate Sandigan Bayan Justice Rodolfo Palatao, and former IBP Quezon City President Bill Agustin. These individuals are not just ordinary lawyers, they are movers and shakers of our nations. IBP Quezon City is very proud that they are our awardees, and they are very instrumental in shaping not only the legal profession but of course our history as a nation.
Ang isa sa mga honoree na si former Chief Justice Renato Puno, ikinagalak ang pagkilalang ito sa kanya.
It's an award that gives recognition to our contribution in strengthening the rule of law in our country. I am proud to be a member of the IBP Quezon City chapter. I note the many relevant and significant activities, programs of the Quezon City chapter, which address principally the need for justice, especially of the lesser members of our community.
Sa Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin naman, may payo sa mga abogadong nagsisimula pa lamang sa kanilang propesyon.
When I was starting out, you follow the examples, the good ones, of the senior lawyers because they are the best mentors for success in the profession.
Isang pagsaludo sa dedikasyon at kontribusyon ng mga Golden Pillar of Law honorees. Ang 50 taong serbisyo sa legal profession ay salamin ng integridad at kahusayan na patuloy na magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga susunod pang henerasyon ng mga abogado sa bansa.